Yo, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It is I, Bad Vibes Forever Collection, BVF Collection, bringing you a nice little unwrapping video, unboxing video. You know the deal. We got ourselves a neon kill hoodie from 2017. Let's freaking go. If this is like the neon mugshot, the puff print should be in immaculate condition because of how durable I believe those two are. This is a limited drop from 2017, so pretty hard to get one of these bad boys, and I was able to snag one up. But yeah, with all that said, let's get into the unwrapping part. Alright. So easy. Oh my gosh, there it is. Just like that. Holy crap, there it is. Ain't she a beaut? Okay, let's go ahead and open it up all the way. Boom. Wow. Wow, it looks amazing. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I was thinking that my lights would make this look like, a little bit different to what, it looks like in person. But no, what you see is what I got. This same color is exactly what we're seeing here. Okay, let's go ahead and check out the tag. Look at that tag. XL, baby, XL. Still soft on the inside. Very nice, very nice. Okay, let's check out the... Oh, I'm seeing cracks like right there. If I do that, crack. Let's not do that, Pretty puffy. Pretty good condition, too. Very happy with the condition. We got some, cracks right here that usually happens first anyways. Let's check out this sleeve text. Okay, sleeve text looks pretty nice. Looks to be completely intact. Wow. Very happy with my purchase. Dang, I didn't think I'd ever own one of these, honestly. But here I am. Well, anyways, let's check out the kill hoodie, or kill hand, sorry. Kill hand. Here we go. This is pretty clean condition too. I'm not seeing any stains or anything. Okay. Nice. Okay, so it looks like, it looks amazing. But there is cracking going on there. You see that? There is quite a bit of cracking. Not gonna lie. Quite a bit of cracking. But if anything, it makes it wearable. Wow, this thing's huge though. That size XL, you know what I'm saying? Pretty nice, pretty nice. The back of the tag. Wow, the neon kill hoodie is now mine. Mission accomplished. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope y'all have an amazing day. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Slide up. Peace.